See, Shivani, as far as the DDC polls are concerned, we are seeing a lot of fireworks in Delhi and also in Jammu and Kashmir. As far as the Congress and Jammu Kashmir's National Conference, PDP, or for that matter, Sajad Loans, PC is concerned. Now we are seeing a tweet coming from Omar Abdullah where he is attacking Amit Shah, saying that it's a legitimate party that has fought elections and will continue to fight. Had they not been the part of elections, then that would have given a good news to Delhi and also to the party. That here he is referring to Altaf Bukhari's Apni party that has been launched recently in March. But we are also seeing the Congress not uttering a word as far as the National Congress is concerned. But when we talk about the J&K as unit of Congress is concerned, they are very open. They have open mouth that they are saying that they are in the alliance only to keep the communal forces away who are changing the demography and also changing the laws in Jammu and Kashmir. How the elections will pan, because still 20 days are to go, because the election of the first phase will begin on 28th and will go up to 20th December. Needs to be seen who will take the major share of vote, whether this will go BJP way or if it will go the People Alliance way. So a lot of developments in Jammu and Kashmir, although the Home Minister Amit Shah has said that it is this gang is going global because they want the foreign intervention in Jammu and Kashmir. They want foreign forces, like has he's been talking about the Farooq Abdullah, where he said that they can go to an extent to ask China to help in the restoration of Article 370. But
Yes,
as usual, Amit Shah has maintained that
absolutely, and that is what the Congress will find tough to distance itself from, because let's not forget the Congress was against the revocation of Article 370. The Congress has made similar statements in the past where they want, for example, Ghulam Nabi Azad had often said they want Article 370 to come back. It is something that is integral to the connection of Jammu and Kashmir to the rest of India. Let's go across to Gursimran also, because Gursimran, the Congress is facing backlash of sorts, certainly politically from the BJP. But on the ground, they're trying to distance themselves from the Gupkar gang, saying that, we don't associate with them as far as their demands are concerned. This is a only hyper-local, just immediate in the future alliance as far as local elections are concerned. But will that really satisfy anyone?
Yes, exactly. The Congress is on back foot now. They have said that they are not part of the Gupkar alliance. This is what the chief spokesperson of Congress, Ravinder Sharma, told Republic Media Network, that they are not the part of Gupkar alliance. This is just a face saving the Congress is trying to do, because they know the harm has been done. The harm has been done by the statement of Ghulam Ahmad Mir when he came out after the meeting. Mehbooba Mufti, Sajad Loan, Farooq Abdullah and other leaders of the Gupkar alliance, and he proudly said that we are part of this alliance. We are going to contest election with them. But now the Congress has got a sense of what exactly is happening on ground. They have seen that even their own cadre, they have started splitting. Their own cadre is falling apart. They have now got the sense that this won't be helping them, because people are going to teach them a lesson that people of Jammu and Kashmir, they are not with the Gupkar alliance, and indeed they are not with the forces who are trying to bring in the foreign powers to restore Article 370 and 35 alpha, because we have seen that what has happened in the ambit of the Constitution, and what they can demand can be and should be in the ambit of Constitution. But they are going beyond that, asking for the foreign powers to intervene in Jammu and Kashmir, which is outrightly rejected by the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And now that is why the Congress is on back foot. They are saying that they are not part of the Gupkar gang. But what is they are saying is we are in the seat sharing process, local seat sharing arrangements, which is none other than the Gupkar alliance.